For questions 13 and 14, it says, find the polar coordinates for the point whose rectangular or Cartesian coordinates are given. And r must be positive, and theta should be between 0 and 2 pi or 0 and 360, meaning it needs to be in the first revolution. So this is x, this is y. So if I graph this, I'm going to the right 2 and up 2. So that would be like this. So r is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. So x squared is 4, y squared is 4. So this would be square root of 8 is equal to, and if you reduce that, it's 2 square root of 2. And tangent of theta is equal to y over x, so 2 over 2, or 1. So if we look at the unit circle, and if we look in quadrant 1, and I know I'm in quadrant 1 because if you look at the graph, we're in quadrant 1. So this happens at theta is equal to 45 degrees. So my final answer would be 2 square root of 2 and then 45 degrees. So that's my radius and that's my theta. For number 14, I want to graph this. And you're going to the right 3 square root of 3, and you're going down 3. So r is going to be equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. So let's actually show the work for this one. And if we square 3 times the square root of 3, and you can type that into your calculator like that, it'll give you 27, and then negative 3 squared is 9. So this will be square root of 36, which is just 6. Okay, and then for theta, we know that tangent of theta is equal to y over x, so negative 3 over 3 square root of 3, and that'll be negative 1 over square root of 3. And if you look at the unit circle, we want to figure out where is y over x equal to negative 1 over square root of 3. And we're specifically looking in quadrant 4, and I know I'm in quadrant 4 because my picture here is in quadrant 4. So theta is equal to, this happens at 330 degrees. So my final answer is 6, 330 degrees. So that's my radius and that's my theta.